How can you tell if your date is not ready for a relationship? It has happened to many women that when they start a relationship with someone, just at that moment they realize if that person is ready or not to start a romance. Fortunately, there are ways to avoid that and notice it from the flirts, and in some cases during the first date. To do so, you should just pay attention if he has the following attitudes. 1. Cancels at the last minute. Half an hour is missing for that meeting that you have waited for a long time, since things always happen that prevent you from seeing each other. Unfortunately, today it will not be because he just told you he will not go. It may happen once, but he always implies that he is not interested. 2. He usually mentions the phrase, "I don't feel ready." Believe it or not, that is one of the clearest signs that his intentions are not what you expect. So always pay attention so you do not waste your time. 3. Talks about his ex. You do not know how, but the conversation has turned on her, and that is something that makes you feel uncomfortable because it gives the impression that he misses her. 3. Watches his cell phone. If when you talk to him, he keeps looking at that device, it means he does not care about what you say. Learn why men lose interest. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.